I'm Dutch, and I'd like to show the differences between our side release buckles. As you see down here, this is a 3/8 side release buckle. It has a contour curve to it, and it is non-adjustable on either side. This is a 5/8 side release buckle. It is adjustable on the male side and not on the female side. This is the same thing in 3/4 inch, adjustable on the male side, non-adjustable on the female side. This is a 3/4 inch dual adjustable side release buckle. This is a 1 inch side release buckle. It's adjustable on the male side and not on the female side. And this is a 1 inch dual adjustable side release buckle. Thank you, everybody.